Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Bare root hedging season has started. This is native whitethorn, and native whitethorn is very easy to grow and a very economical hedge to plant. Planted from bare root plants like this, you plant them to that depth. There's just the first root is just underneath the ground. Dig a hole twice the length of that. A little bit of, once it gets in contact with soil, I thought whitethorn does very well, but I like a little bit of super tri, bit of compost mixed in, just be good to it. In spring, maybe take 1/3 off to encourage them to get nice and bushy, because each individual plant is like that. They just encourage bushiness, but it's an easy plant to establish and grow well. And of course, whitethorn, and usually around May time, you get the lovely white flowers and lots of berries, and it's an easy hedge to keep planted from now. See, from now until about the end of February to plant these fellows. But ideally, from now on is a perfect time to plant whitethorn. Great big plants like these ones are roughly around 3 feet, and there are some even taller than this, stronger plants that will bush out and form a hedge very quickly for you. It's a very economical hedge to plant. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.